Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
So the mission of the MQ-9 is to provide persistent strike and reconnaissance capability to Ground Force commanders. For the Air Force specifically, MQ-9s allow a much smaller deployed footprint. They can deploy a small crew of launch and recovery personnel such as myself and the maintainers. And it's a huge team effort. It starts with both air crew and the ground control station maintainers. We work together to prepare that half of the system. At the same time, we have crew chiefs and munitions and avionics technicians who all prepare the aircraft. And then as a group effort, we launch that and hand it off to mission control elements that are scattered throughout the country. Northern Strike provides my unit the opportunity to prove out our ability to operate out of an unprepared environment, to pack up and launch our aircraft safely, and provide both the state and federal government the capability to launch the MQ-9 where and when it's needed most. For Northern Strike this year, we're proving out the concept with the ground-based sense and avoid radar. What that allows us to do is climb up into general airspace without a chase plane. This sense and avoid system allows us to see other aircraft all the way down, including birds, and detect and avoid them. So it keeps us and everyone else safe. I just want to thank all the planners at NGB as well as the Alpena CRTC for giving us the opportunity to participate in this exercise.
When your rack is ready, we'll start working on the channels. Start working on the channels. Yeah, I can go get it.